Hey guys, welcome back to Learn with Hamna. In today's episode, we're going to dive into Microsoft Excel to explore two powerful functions, count and count A. Specifically, we're going to look at how to use these functions to count the amount paid here and how many total in-house guests we have today. So let's get started. First up, let's take a look at the count function. This function is great for counting numbers. For example, if you see here, I have this column. In few cells, there are numbers available for the guests who have paid their amount, and then some of them have not paid. Let's put an equal sign here. Now I'm going to give the command of count. Now I'm going to select the range that I want to give. So I'm going to click on the first cell. Now hold the shift key, come down directly to the last cell and click on that last cell. And press enter. So this automatically counts all the guests who have paid their bill as there are numbers in those cells. If there are no numbers, the cells are empty, or if the bill is in text, then this formula will not count that. So if we have text in the cells, then how do we count that? So I'm going to put the equal sign again, and now I'm going to give the count A formula. And this time I'm going to give the range again. So clicking on the first cell, hold shift key, come down and click on the last cell. And press enter, and here it gives us the total number of in-house guests. So we have 100 in-house guests today. These formulas are very useful to count numbers and to count text that is there in Excel sheet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop them in the comment below. And do not forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.